there. Today you can look at the strange looking person that I found them. I'm hoping you nothing goes wrong with you. Oh well, here I goes. It's pink. Oh no. Why is he happening to keep me into me? No 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 no. No! Yuji.
Indoor voice. Oh, when I came the next day, I told Latrice, I was like, who was with him? It was a
What
girl.
did I do?
She just let me come back. Come back here. She let me go with him. Jamie,
I think she was
Hello there. It's me, Faith, and I hiding. Can you find me, dude? Ah! You did it! Yeah! Next, you in the video. Ba, ba, ba. We'll be right back to take a short break. It's me, Faye, and I have Jimmy and you watching next Junior video. Ba ba ba. Birthday.
Hi, how are you?
What your mom say?
You see,
Use the what? Use the what?
indoor voice, inside voice.
Please.
And it's time to say goodbye. So I gonna sing you a goodbye song. Here I go. Bye bye. Bye. Yeah. I'll see you tomorrow for the next one. And you don't forget watching next you in the video. No, Yuji.
But yeah, no, it was just kind of.
See you. I'll see you tomorrow right here on Nick Jr. video. Ba, ba, ba. Yuji.
Indoor voice.
Alfalfa.
And he looking at you like, why are you touching me? Did you
Oh,
see his
he's
face? He went like
touching
this. He went.
I always bother him.
I think he likes it.
I think so too. I be rubbing
Does he?
his face. He seen the road this morning.
Oh.
He walked right outside the road was like this. Oh, I was like, I hope your beard is clean, Jacob. You just woke up. You saw what
I love him. He is like so like. He like.
But he said that, but he's literally on the his iPad. And Jacob
I
just like,
need to take a
Yeah, he's
short
like-
break.
and Jacob just like.
But he's so like. He like.
Oh, man.
He's so nonchalant.
Excuse me,
Like,
on,
he not-
dude.
I don't. It feels like.
I think
nothing
it's on right
affects him.
now.
Yeah, his glasses. was
Oh,
like, all
well.
low. Jacob just like.
Hey, buddy,
He on
it's
the
me,
iPad, like,
Foxy,
I-
and then sure.
But that's what I mean. Like he's just so nonchalant. He
I'm not supposed to be happy right
Oh,
now.
Jacob was like, you gotta shave.
It looks like they could take goodbye faces.
I thought, you gonna shave
Oh, well.
soon? You gotta shave.
That's a
soon."
good way to begin the same thing to do. The fox in socks and the cat in the hat. Today is the Dr. Seuss The Grinch Stole Christmas.
Yep, we gotta do the Christmas list today.